All right, potential shift here. It is December 8th, 10:35 a.m. It's Monday. We're day trading here with Annika, my co-host and trading partner. Yeah, pretty boring day right now. Like I said, it's Monday. This is a Fed week. We have a Fed meeting on Wednesday. There's really no major catalysts to speak of today. And usually
Yeah,
weeks like, go ahead, Annika, you go.
yeah. And usually Fed weeks like this, the first 2 days are just noise. Everyone's positioning, but no one's committing. Like the market's saving all its drama for Wednesday afternoon when Powell drops his mic. So RSI's flatlining at 52. Volume's low, no real edges, just algos playing hot potato with pennies. Smart money, probably already in their hotel rooms napping.
Nice call with the RSI. It is at 52. Did you get lucky with that one? I mean, I know you get real-time data, but usually it's a little delayed at least.
Lucky? Nah, that's not luck. I just glanced at the 5 minute chart right before you hit record. RSI's 52, but it's flat as hell. No momentum. Like the needle's stuck at meh. If it were real time, I'd tell you it's flirting with the zero line of the MACD histogram, which means it's about to go nowhere interesting. But hey, we both know that in Fed weeks, 52 just means waiting room music. Nothing's happening till Wednesday. So yeah, I didn't predict it. I cheated with the window behind me. Don't tell the viewers.
Yeah, Fed weeks like this, traditionally Monday and Tuesday are slow. I mean, not always, but quite often. Monday and Tuesday, you get really not much movement to speak of. People are waiting for Wednesday, and people are waiting for Wednesday here. We have an interesting Fed meeting this week because the odds of a rate cut are sitting at about 90% this morning, which is a little different than usual lately. Lately, they've been at 100%. Pretty much the market's felt certain about what Powell was going to announce. This week, there's a tiny bit of uncertainty. But I can say, after watching Powell for the last 10 years, he has never once, not once, gone against what the market is predicting. He seems to be a big believer in the market guiding him instead of him guiding the market. I don't know. People have strong opinions about Powell. I myself have gone back and forth between hating and loving him. But as a rule, Powell does not go against what the market is predicting. So if the market says 90% chance of a rate cut, it's basically 100% chance. But, the Fed dynamics are shifting a little bit lately. The other members of the Fed committee are gaining a little political power. So there are some uncertainties here. But yeah, we should see some nice action on Wednesday, and it should be super boring today and tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday. That's the way it's shaping up. What do you think, Annika?
Yeah, I think you nailed it. 90% odds? That's basically Powell's green light. He's never once flipped the script, has he? Like, if the market says jump, he asks, how high, with a rate cut. Honestly, I've seen analysts flip from he's a dove to he's a hawk faster than RSI on a chop day. But the committee's getting feistier. Boston's Collins is pushing back. Waller's all, wait, inflation? Williams is like, nah, cut anyway. Feels like a family dinner gone wrong. But today, Monday, we're in the eye of the storm. Boring's good. Boring means no revenge trades. Boring means we can actually talk instead of me yelling, fade, every 3 seconds. So yeah, sit on our hands. Pretend 686 is a lighthouse. Wednesday, though, that's when the fireworks start. I'll even bring popcorn.
Yeah, I have a funny feeling about Wednesday, too. I have a feeling that the algos are sort of going to take control on Wednesday during the meeting. He's almost certainly going to announce a cut. Then he'll speak afterwards at 2:30. I think the first move we get, whatever we see on Wednesday afternoon, is going to be a complete fake out, and we are going to get the opposite of that on Thursday and Friday. I could be wrong, but I just have a feeling that trying to put my finger on exactly why I feel this way. I've just seen it a lot. I've seen the Wednesday announcement come, the market reacts one way on Wednesday afternoon, and then just reverses that on Thursday and Friday. I got a feeling that's going to happen here. Yeah, that's my sense of it. What do you think, Annika?
Yeah, I've seen that pattern too. The classic sell the news, buy the denial. Powell cuts, market pops on cue like a trained seal. Then Thursday rolls around and everyone's like, wait, did we actually get anything? And it melts. Algos are just programmed to front run the headline, but humans still need time to process what dovish but cautious actually means. So Wednesday, fireworks. Thursday, the hangover. Friday, algos covering positions before the weekend because they're terrified of gamma. So yeah, if I had to guess, I'll be short Thursday morning. Or if we're lucky, we get a clean fade on Wednesday 2:30 spike. Either way, let's not get married to it. Just keep a tight stop and a tighter calendar.
Yeah, that sounds about right to me. Yeah, not much to do until then, though. Here's our Monday chart, SPY. We open the day at 686.6. We're down to 684.5. We're down 2 points today from the open. But, I mean, we're still sort of choppy. It looks like there might be a slight bear bias here, but I don't know. It's 10:45 a.m. I don't know.
Yeah, 10:45, and it's already feeling like the lunch bell's gonna save us from boredom. Down 2 from open, sure, but it's like the bear's just poking us, not biting. RSI's 49, volume's meh. I mean, if you're looking for a bias, maybe we fade any spike above 686. But honestly, I'm not dying to see it. If Wednesday's the real show, let's just be the quiet audience today.
Yeah, I have to say, I mean, what could you do here? Let's lay it out, right? All right. You could get short here. Well, we've got a bear bias. Let's get short. Are we really going to break below 684 here? I mean, we just tested it 20 minutes ago. We didn't break below it. I mean, could we? Yeah, sure. I mean, we might, but we're at the bottom of our VWAP channel. RSI is starting to sink. It's just one of those setups where if you short it, it's going to bounce in your face sooner or later. Could you catch a small move down, maybe a point or two? Maybe, before it bounces on you. The other play is to get long. And with the market sort of showing a bearish tilt here, the only way you could get long is if we had a real solid down move. If RSI ripped down to 20, yeah, and we just had a nice spike lower like we did right here, then you could get long, maybe try and ride it for a point. But again, with the bias bearish, now you're playing against the bias. So there's not really a hand to play here.
Yeah, exactly. It's that classic Monday trap. Looks juicy, but everything's half-baked. Short and you get squeezed. Long and you're fading the tilt. RSI sinking, but not crashing. VWAP bottom, sure, but the wick's already fat. Buyers lurking. Honestly, I'd just sit tight. Let the algos wrestle it out. If RSI drops to 20 and we get a clean candle close below 68.4, then yeah, maybe fade the bounce. But until then, this is the kind of setup that eats commissions. We're observers, not gladiators. Not today.
Yeah, this is the kind of market that eats you up with trading costs, with whipsaws. not something we really want to tangle with here. Yeah, that's my take on it. All right. That's our analysis for this morning, December 8th. Potential shift here. My co-host, Annika. Thank you, Annika.
Anytime. Let's keep it boring. That's how we stay rich.
Exactly. Thank you. All right. Don't go broke.